Deepika, she refused to dance with you on song Singa in IFA. Is it true?
Ma'am, I have no idea. You'll have to ask the IFA makers. From what I know, that it was supposed to.
Hi Priyanka, this is Urvi here from Pinkvilla.
Hi.
Hi. Priyanka, you would be celebrating your birthday next month. What are your plans for the birthday and?
हर साल की तरह इस साल भी set पे होंगी मैं. I'm starting season 2 on the 11th in July, so I'll be in New York on set, and वहीं cake वेक आएगा, people same things, what we do here, same thing will happen.
And when do we see you start a Bollywood film next?
I can't do a Hindi film till my season 2 finishes for Quantico, so I have the luxury of time कि मैं time लेकर, इसीलिए मैं actually Bombay इतना वक्त मैंने बताया because I've been meeting a lot of filmmakers. The problem is that I have only a certain chunk of time for next year, and I've heard so many interesting scripts. I don't know how to pick right now. So I'm at that point where I am being greedy. There are some incredible films that are being made in Hindi films right now, and over the last actually 2 weeks, I've met some amazing filmmakers. मेरा मन करता है ये भी करूँ, ये भी करूँ, ये भी करूँ. But जैसे मेरे को आदत है ना 4 films at least a year करने की. So suddenly now I've been reduced to 1 or 2. I feel it's not fair. So I'm taking my time to figure out which film. I have time because I can't start shooting before March. So I'll decide in the next few months, I guess.
Hi Priyanka, this is Suparna from Cinestan.
Hi Suparna.
You've been traveling to Europe for the show, and it's received a great response in Spain. And I saw videos of you being flanked by fans there. How does it feel being rediscovered all over again? What kind of comments do you hear? What kind of interactions do you have with fans?
Well, I really believe that stardom should not be announced. Stardom needs to be discovered. And to me, it's just amazing when, through me, like it's happened to me so many times that fans of the show write to me, whether it's on Twitter or to ABC, जहाँ वो लिखेंगे कि, oh, I watched my first Hindi film. I went to Netflix and I watched Priyanka's, say, Fashion or Dostana or Dawn or whatever. And it's so amazing to me that people are discovering my Hindi films and my body of work through my show. People जिन्होंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों को जाना भी नहीं होगा. तो मेरे लिए, and वहाँ पे, for the rest of the world, वो जान रहे हैं कि what Indian actors are capable of. कि we don't only have to be, the stereotype of Indian characters that we are made to play with accents like this where nobody talks like that. Why are we always made to talk like that? We don't. Modern India doesn't. English is almost our second language if our parents choose to put us into an English medium school. So those are the stereotypes I try and break. So it's amazing to me, this cultural exchange that is happening via me. It's really great to see that. I get so many, especially young girls for some reason, love Hindi films, who come up to me and say, oh, we watched our first Hindi film and, I want to, and they'll do dub smashes for me of my lines and send it to me. And it's a lot of fun, and it's really, really amazing when that happens. But of course, I've been a public person since I was 17 years old. I'm used to getting attention. I mean, that's my normal. I'm not used to, and the Indian diaspora for Hindi films is all over the world. So wherever we go, we are used to getting love and affection. But this is in another way altogether, where it's almost like it's fun that I'm being discovered and I don't have to introduce myself.
Hi Priyanka, straight, Abhishek here.
Kahan Abhishek?
Hi.
Right there. I got you. Okay.
Congratulations for cracking into top 100 list again.
Thank you.
Globally आप काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रही हैं. आपके काम को appreciate किया जा रहा है. साथ ही साथ दीपिका पादुकोण, she's also doing well in Hollywood. ऐसे reports हैं कि आप दोनों के बीच एक global competition है. पहले Bollywood में था, अब global platform पे भी है.
अरे I thought आप लोग कहते थे कि हम दोस्त थे, अब competition बन गए. है ना, पहले तो यही लिखते थे ना सब लोग कि we were BFFs.
तो
ये कैसे बदला, कब बदला, क्यों बदला?
वो आप बताएंगे हमें.
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं कहा कि बदला है, आप कह रहे हैं कि बदला है.
तो उसी पर क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए था.
मैं क्लैरिफाई कर रही हूँ ना कि कुछ नहीं बदला, जैसे थे हम वैसे ही हैं. आपका नजरिया बदला है जो आपको नहीं बदलना चाहिए.
और इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे जैसे आपको काफ़ी काफ़ी सारे फिल्में मिल रही हैं. दीपिका की टीम is also trying hard to get as good projects as you are getting. So your comments to it.
Sorry, I didn't understand the question.
जिस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स आप कर रही हैं हॉलीवुड में, वैसे ही दीपिका की टीम is also trying to get you the get दीपिका the same
वो
projects.
सवाल आपको उससे पूछना चाहिए ना.
How do you look
मेरी
at
टीम
it?
तो ट्राई नहीं कर रही है, नहीं ना. तो मेरे से सवाल किसी और के बारे में तो डजंट मेक सेंस, क्योंकि मैं किसी और की ज़िंदगी पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती, तो मुझे पता नहीं है. माई करियर हैज़ बिन वेरी सॉलिटरी. किसी और के सक्सेस और फेलियर से मेरे करियर का कुछ लेना देना कभी नहीं था, एंड वो वैसा भी अभी भी जारी होगा. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, आई होप कि जिस तरह का काम मैंने किया है एंड जिस तरह का झंडा मैं गाड़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ इंडियन एक्टर्स और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए, आई होप कि बहुत सारा इंडियन टैलेंट, ना सिर्फ इंडियन, साउथ एशियन टैलेंट या ग्लोबल टैलेंट जिनको एंट्री नहीं मिलती है ग्लोबल एंटरटेनमेंट में, उनको वो दर्जा मिले. आई होप सो. एंड वो चाहे कोई भी हो, आई वुड ऑलवेज विश देम वेल, एंड आई होप कि मेरी तरह नहीं, उनको मुझसे ज़्यादा भी सक्सेस मिले.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Priyanka, hi.
हाँ जी.
You're looked upon as a global fashion icon, you know. So when you represent at events or any social platform that award functions or anything, do you feel a little nervous or say you think twice, you know, what you would be wearing, how you would be presenting yourself?
I don't take myself so seriously, actually. The only thing I take myself serious about is in between action and cut. Action और cut के बीच में अगर मैं अच्छा काम कर जाऊँ ना, बाकी मुझे इमेजरी, स्ट्रैटेजी ये सब समझ में नहीं आती. मैं बहुत आर्टिस्टिक और इंस्टिंक्टिव इंसान हूँ. जब मैं चेंज करती हूँ क्या पहनना है, मच टू माई स्टाइलिस्ट डिस्डेन हु मस्ट बी सिटिंग देयर, मैं कभी भी पहले डिसाइड नहीं करती कि ये आउटफिट होगा. माई ऑस्कर आउटफिट डिसीजन वॉज ऑल्सो ऑन द डे ऑफ द ऑस्कर्स. हमारे पास 4 शॉर्ट लिस्ट थे, बिकॉज अगर उस दिन जाके मूड नहीं बना तो आई एम वेरी मूडी. आई एम अ कैंसेरियन, मे बी दैट्स वाई. So I am very organic about. I don't put so much stress on it. I have a great team, hair, makeup, clothes. वो सब उनका काम होता है. मुझे तो जीन्स और टी-शर्ट में भेज दो, मैं तभी भी उतना ही इम्पैक्ट बनाऊंगी.
And my second question is, you just said that, you know, there are a lot of movies that have been offered to you right now in Bollywood, and you're getting a little difficult on your part to choose which one is the best for you. And you also would be shooting for Quantico soon. So can an actress of your stature who's at the top of the game can afford to not to do a movie in Bollywood for a long time, like say a year?
I don't know. We'll find out. So far, I mean, there have been a lot of actors who've taken sabbaticals, whose films haven't come out, female and male, whose films haven't come out for 2 years, 3 years. But I don't think the Indian audience needs to be reminded कि आओ मुझे देखो. अगर उनको प्यार है, देखना चाहेंगे देख लेंगे, नहीं देखना चाहेंगे नहीं देखेंगे. आप किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते आओ फिल्म देखने के लिए. हमारी ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है, तो मैं बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं सोचती हूँ कि ओह शिट अगर मुझे लोग देखेंगे नहीं तो भूल जाएंगे. आई एम नॉट अ वेरी इनसिक्योर पर्सन इन लाइफ इन जनरल. मुझे अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट मिला, वक्त मिला तो करूँगी, नहीं मिला तो मुझे बिलीव नहीं है कि आई हैव टू डू अ फिल्म बिकॉज मुझे दिखाई देना चाहिए. नॉट एट ऑल. मेरा शो हर सैटरडे आप लोगों के बेडरूम्स में आता है, आपके घर पे आता है, विथ Quantico in India. My film Baywatch will have a very big Indian release. I intend on getting the entire cast here. We are doing a worldwide press junket. So I don't think it works like that. Today entertainment has become very global. आप भी तो अपने घर पे बैठ के Game of Thrones देखते होंगे. So I don't think people think like that anymore. And I love Hindi films. I'm an Indian actor before I'm anything else. I say that no matter where in the world I go. जो भी मैंने सीखा है, जो भी मैं हूँ आज हिंदी फिल्मों की वजह से हूँ, और वो मेरा ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड रहा है. सो जब तक ऑडियंस मुझे देखना पसंद करेगी मैं फिल्में करती रहूँगी, नहीं देखना पसंद करेगी खुद पता चल जाएगा.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, Priyanka Mihir here.
Hi, Mihir.
Of course, all of us are anxiously waiting for Baywatch. But as far as the censor board is concerned and the manner in which it's behaving these days, are you kind of worried by it? You know.
I'm not worried. I'll be very sad because Baywatch is a rated R movie. It is a comedy on, which is like that. Which is, I mean, common news because Dwayne keeps writing that on every post about Baywatch that he makes. But I don't know, apparently the conversations are going in a really great way. It is a certification board and hopefully we'll get certified. I hope that happens.
Hi, Priyanka. Beverly from NDTV.
Hi.
Hi. I just wanted to ask you, obviously there's a list which has come out today actually.
Shh, guys, थोड़ा सा silence रख लो, बड़ा अच्छा हो जाएगा. इज्जत दे दो ना बेवली को. NDTV से.
Thank you. There's a list which has come out today of the top 10 grossing actors of all time. And Scarlett Johansson is the only woman really on that list, which is of course something to be proud of as well. But do you feel that this pay parity issue in Hollywood and Bollywood is anywhere close to being the way it should be?
I think, okay, I have a point of view on this, and please give me 2 minutes to just elaborate. As much as there is a huge pay disparity between male actors and female actors, it is also in society. बोल दो जब ready हो तो मैं बोलना शुरू करूँ. Ready? Okay. It is the pay disparity is not just in the film industry. It is a disparity of genders in society in general. So the day a woman's film grosses as much as a male actor's film, we'll get paid that much. But for that, we need the audience to go watch those films. So people need to get the gender disparity out of their heads, support female actors and say, we're going to watch cinema because it's a good film, not because it has a female or a male lead. So we're in the business of entertainment. Obviously, business is about demand and supply, right? So when people go watch a film and our films gross as much, which now started happening. I mean, our films are touching 100 crores and there's so much money that is being made on female-led films. Hopefully, the more that'll happen, the more we'll be able to turn around and say, this is our right. Otherwise, it's unfair for the pressure to be on a female saying that, oh, your film has never reached those numbers because you're not watching it as much. So I think it's a vicious circle which is working towards a better place. It's going towards a better place. Like you said, Scarlett's on the list. Our Hindi films have touched about 100 crores with leading female actors. So hopefully we'll get there. But the conversations and the battle needs to continue. And we need men standing up for feminism. That's important.
Hi, Priyanka. Just last question.
Actually, last 2 questions and then we'll just last 2 questions.
Hi, Priyanka.
I can't
this
see
is
you.
Ankita.
Right here.
Here.
Right here. She's wearing this
Here.
beige. Stand up, love.
Fine.
There you are.
There you are. Okay, got it. Sorry.
Hi.
Sorry, it's really bright on my eyes. I'm not blind.
Yeah, it's okay. The rumor that Deepika, she refused to dance with you on song Pinga in IFA, is it true?
Ma'am, I have no idea. You'll have to ask the IFA makers. From what I know, that it was supposed to happen, and then I don't know what happened, why it didn't. So I ended up doing it in my act. But I have no idea. You'll have to ask IFA that. I'm sure they'll know.
Hi Priyanka, Bhavna
Yes.
from Z News.
Hi, Bhavna.
How are you? It's so good to see you after long.
I know, I'm happy to be home. I really am happy to be home.
प्रियंका हमने सुना 40 डेज के लिए यहाँ पे रहने वाली है और उन दिनों में
खत्म हो गए 40 days.
हाँ, और कुछ 100 करोड़ की एंडोर्समेंट
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर प्लीज काश ऐसा होता. ये बड़ी अच्छी कहानी थी. It was really great for my ego, I must say.
But that's not true.
No, babe, come on. Obviously not. It's such a stupid, exaggerated number. No.
Okay, cool. All the best.
Thank you. I wish it was true, for sure.
You never know.
Beverly's
next time when you'll
question
come,
would
you'll
have
get-
been answered.
Oh.
Yes.
Hi Priyanka, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Finally, I was jumping around to talk to you. So, since when I'm jumping around? Because it's about
Just
women.
sit down,
okay?
sit down, sit down. They can't see it. Yeah. Okay.
No, I think that
Guys,
was
don't be
disrespect
rude.
of not standing and talking, so I got up. Is that a problem? That's not my problem, right?
Lovely lady in polka dot dress.
Yeah.
Priyanka.
Priyanka, I just have one question.
Yes.
And it's just a yes or a no. Can I click a selfie with you? Please. Please.
Press the golden buzzer.
Everyone else has said no. Let me finish this press conference and then we'll
You're gonna
figure
do
it
that,
out.
right?
Yes, go ahead. ये माइक जरा
Are
आगे
you playing
भेज दें.
Kalpana Chawla?
Your last question, huh?
Are you playing Kalpana Chawla?
I told you I'm deciding between a lot of very, very interesting subjects. Very, very interesting subjects. And I have to pick one or two. I'm listening to a lot of very interesting films here and in America, and I'm just trying to see which ones I'll be able to accommodate because I have very specific timelines.
Well, thank you very, very much for being patient.
Thank you very much, you guys.
for such
Thank
a
you.
wonderful.